You're concerned now with the topic of the pendulum, with the kinetic energy and potential energy. A stone of mass 0.5 kg is attached to the one end of a light inaccessible string of length zero point 0.4 meter. The other end of that string is attached to the fixed point O. The stone is released from rest with the string taut at an inclined angle of 40 degrees below the horizontal through O. Calculate the speed of the particle as it passes beneath O and calculate also the speed of the particle of the stone when the string is making an angle of 20 degrees with the vertical through O. So this is the question. Since O is this, beneath O is the first part, the length is 0.4 meter and this is making an angle of 40 degree. So this will become 50 degree. Now we will make it as X and Y there, where the particle P is at this position and it is going to come towards A there. So first of all, we are going to calculate this X value there. So X over 0.4 is equal to cos of 50, or X is equal to zero point 0.4 cos of 50, or that value is equal to 0.72571. So this is 0.2571. But this length from O to A is of length 0.4. So this is the length we have to calculate. It should be equal to point height is 0.4 minus 0.2571. So in this case, the loss in potential energy is equal to gain in kinetic energy. So loss means what? mgh, that thing is equal to gain in kinetic energy, that is half mv square. M and M cancel. So v square is equal to 2gh, 2 as it is, g as it is, into height h there is, that is zero point 0.4 minus 0.2571, that value is equal to v square is equal to 2.8576, and the v will be equal to the square root of 2.857, and that value is equal to 1.69 meter per second. So this is the speed when it is passes from this A point here. The second part of this is the same pendulum there is, which is making an angle of 40 degree, and you are going to find out the speed when it is at this point 20 degree with the vertical. So it is O, it is A. So we mark this point as, and we mark this point as. So the total height is the height of these two values there. And we are going to calculate when it is making an angle of 20-degree vertical with respect to that part there. So it is 20, it is 40. So this angle will be of 30. So we are going to calculate this height there. So it should be equivalent to, so x over zero point 0.4 is equal to, this whole angle is equal to cos of 50, or x is equal to zero point 0.4 into cos of 50, and that value is equal to 0.2, 0.2571. And y over zero point 0.4 is equal to cos of 20, or y is equal to zero point 0.4 cos of 20, or that thing is equal to 0.358. So actual height is y minus x, that is 0.358 minus 0.2571, and that thing is equal to 0.1008. So loss in potential energy is equal to gain in kinetic energy. So it should be equal to mgh is equal to half mv square. So v square is equal to 2gh. 2g is 10. The height between this is 0.1008. That thing is equal to 2.017, or v is equal to 1.54 meters per second. So these are the two questions regarding to this question there. And there are so many questions against the pendulum where you are going to make either the angles or the velocity